Hi, my name is Bill. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new estimate in Sigma. Start Sigma by clicking on the desktop icon or choosing Sigma from the Start menu. Sigma will open to the Standard Templates window. Begin by clicking on a template. Sigma will then open to the Front Page tab. On the Front Page tab, you can enter the project name, the project number, project phase, the project manager, the estimator, and the status of the project. You can also add notes. If you check the Extended Project Information button, you can add a more detailed description of your project. The other tabs in the Front Page window allow you to set RS means settings, add contact information, add a description to your project, or enter adds and cuts. When finished, click on the Content tab and start building your work breakdown structure. Now you know how to create a new estimate in Sigma. For more information, please go to www.sigmaestimates.com.